Before I start this video, if you want to ensure that your computer is not infected, you must follow each step in order. What's up guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let's get started. First of all, malicious softwares are commonly called malwares, and malwares will slow down your computer and they have access of your computer also. So malicious software has become a part of internet, but no one like to have these malwares in their computer. And most of us check their computer using lots of anti-malware program, but even after the scan has finished, you cannot be totally sure that your computer is malware free because scanners cannot recognize any new malware. So every program used in this method is very effective, and I try my best to make this video as simple as I can. And before you asking me, let me tell you that these softwares are only run when you are using them. Now the first step is check for rootkits. Rootkits is a malicious software. They have a privilege to access your computer. So it's important to make sure that there is no active rootkit on your computer. To do this, you can first scan your computer with Kaspersky TDSS Killer. Before you download this program, please make sure to select the correct version for your operating system. While Kaspersky TDSS Killer downloading, download the zip file of Komodo Cleaning Essential. After the download complete, then simply open the file TDSS Killer and then select the option Start Scan. All in all, this scan should take less than 1 minute. If it does find something, then it's highly likely that your computer is infected. If no rootkits are found, then you should go ahead and check your computer using Komodo Cleaning Essentials. Now unzip the folder of Komodo Cleaning Essential. Once you have done this, double click on the file name CCE. This will open the main program of CCE. When it has opened, do a smart scan with CCE. It will download the all recent virus database. Once this download has finished, the scan will be begin, and your computer will check for all type of malwares. This scan should not take too long to complete, and the best part is CCE also scan for the system changes which may has been caused by malwares. After the scan is completed, you will be asked to restart your computer. Once your computer has restarted, you will be giving the final result. Step 2. Using Komodo Autoruns. Now go to the tool menu on the Komodo Cleaning Essential. This time select Open Autorun Analyzer. This program will analyze the registry and show you the file associated with each item. Since all malwares writes to registry, this program is capable of identifying malwares and unknown files even if they are not running. One downside of this program is that it will potentially giving you more file to check. However, if you want to show that your computer is 100% clean, then this step is necessary. After you open Komodo Autorun, it will immediately be compiling a list. This process can take a few minutes to complete. Without waiting for the scan to finish, you can go to View and select Hide Safe Entries so that you have few files to look at once the scan has completed. If Autorun shows some files, then simply delete them. If Autorun say there is no item to show, then your computer has passed this test. If your computer has passed the previous test, then there is definitely no active malware on your computer. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have any suggestion or idea, let me know in the comment box.